Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove facial verification from your Binance account. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Binance app on your phone. Step 2. Tap the Binance logo on the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Once the menu opens, tap on your user profile. Step 4. Scroll down and select Security. Step 5. Tap on Passkeys Biometrics. Step 6. Tap Add Passkey and then you'll see two options, Passkey and Security Key. Choose Passkey. Step 7. A verification code will be sent to your Gmail. And then once you received it, enter the code and tap Submit. Step 8. Tap Continue to finish setting up the passkey. Step 9. Now that the passkey has been added, you'll see a trash icon next to it. Tap the trash icon to remove the biometric facial verification. And that's it. You've successfully removed facial verification from Binance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.